It is 11:48 on your Tuesday, and if you are stepping outside today, well, you might not want to because it is going to be raining.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, you'll remember about 15 minutes ago, we were looking at our Decatur sky cam, all that heavy rain off into the distance. Well, it's here now. If you can drop that lower third, yeah, and just look at all that heavy rain moving in from out of the southeast. Just having some of that rain move over top of our Toyota field camera, but you'll notice dry right now in Muscle Shoals and Guntersville. Plenty more rain to go through today and all the way through your Wednesday and into Thursday morning. So this is that big batch of rain that we're tracking right now. If you look close enough, it extends from about Jackson County right through Huntsville and Madison, all the way down through at least Lawrence County, but even starting to develop closer to Winston and Marion County. That's going to continue to push off to the northwest, producing the heavy rainfall, but also the lightning threats. You need to be indoors if you're hearing thunder. If we pause the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, we're dry right now in Marshall County and DeKalb County and most of Jackson County, but we're going to continue to see more rain developing from out of the southeast, from out of Georgia and from out of central parts of Alabama. Zooming in closer to Decatur, again, that heavy rain right over top of I-65, Highway 31, moving to the northwest. So you need to wait for this to pass because that's going to drop visibility down to near zero if you're driving through it. And it's just difficult to drive through that. Ponding on the roadways could make for some hydroplane issues. Closer to the shoals, there's Killing off to the west. Seeing some of these cells quickly developing. Not a whole lot of lightning, but again, that could quickly change over the next couple of hours. Day planner for today through this evening, keeping those rain chances pretty high. We're only going to manage to make it up to the mid 70s. You may briefly make it up to 75, 76, but as soon as some rain moves overhead, that'll pull that temperature back down. So much cooler than what we saw yesterday. And we're going to continue that heavy rain threat all the way through at least late tomorrow night. And that brings that flooding risk to creeks and streams, but also flash flooding to some of the urban areas. Severe storms, unlikely, but if you look close enough on the latest SPC outlook, it ends just off to our west. If you look close enough, it actually just touches parts of Marion County, but we are expecting just plain old thunderstorms with some gusty winds. Looks like the severe weather will stay closer to North Mississippi today. Future radar, 1 o'clock this afternoon. Just look at all that heavy rain continue to move in from out of the southeast, just one round after another. The concern is that you get some of these training lines that track over the same locations. That brings that flooding risk. You'll notice another big batch of rain coming into Guntersville with lightning, gusty winds. That's 10 o'clock tonight. And then a little bit of a lull in the overnight hours, but still some heavy rain impacting Limestone and Lauderdale County tomorrow morning out at the bus stop. And then we get going again. This is 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Another big batch of heavy rainfall. And a lot of this will impact areas near and east of I-65. These would be big time rainfall producers. That's the big flood risk because that's already falling on saturated grounds by Wednesday evening. Slowly but surely, though, we're going to start to see all that getting pushed off to the east and northeast, but still some lingering rain early on Thursday morning, and then we're done by about lunchtime Thursday afternoon. But that's before all of this. Look at the rainfall forecast. This goes through Thursday evening, and most of this through tomorrow night. And the oranges you see on the map closer to Coleman, closer to Fort Payne and Scottsboro, that's the 4-inch contour. A lot of rainfall in less than 48 hours, folks. So please be careful out there. Never drive through any flooded roadways. Mid 70s over the next couple of days, and then we start to warm things back up as those rain chances drop off. Not seeing any big issues here this week for both Thursday and Friday night for football. So some great conditions. Temperatures down to the low 60s by Friday morning and Saturday morning. And then look at the weekend. We'll finally start to dry things out. I know folks are going to need to get that grass cut after all this heavy rainfall. We're back to low 80s with sunny skies and staying mostly dry even to the start of next work week.